Most contractors don't choose software based on features alone. They choose it based on which problems hurt their business the most. Here's the truth no one tells you. Procore and Buildertrend are both powerful in 2026, but they are built for very different types of contractors and project scales. In this video, you'll understand what each platform actually does, where they shine, and which one fits your construction business better. Let's start with Procore. Procore is designed for large-scale construction operations. A project manager like Alex can use it to manage RFIs, budgets, scheduling, drawings and communication across multiple teams and job sites. It is built for complex projects with many moving parts. Now here's where it gets interesting. Procore is not just software. It is an entire construction management system designed for enterprise-level control and oversight. But here's the problem. That level of power also means complexity. Smaller contractors can feel overwhelmed by setup, training, and the learning curve. Now let's talk about Buildertrend. Buildertrend is designed more for residential and small to mid-sized contractors. A contractor like Jake can use it to manage projects, communicate with clients, schedule work, and handle basic financial tracking in one place. This is where Buildertrend stands out. It focuses heavily on ease of use and client communication, making it popular among home builders, remodelers, and smaller construction companies. But there's a trade-off. Buildertrend is not as deep as Procore when it comes to large-scale project control, advanced workflows, or enterprise reporting. So let's compare them directly. Procore is built for scale, complexity, and multi-project coordination. It is ideal for general contractors managing large commercial builds, infrastructure projects, or multi-site operations. Buildertrend is built for simplicity, client communication, and streamlined residential project management. It is ideal for remodelers, custom home builders, and smaller contracting teams. Now here's the key insight most contractors miss. These tools are not competitors in the same category. They are solutions for different business sizes. So which one should you choose in 2026? If your business handles large commercial projects with multiple subcontractors and strict compliance requirements, Procore is the stronger choice. It gives you full control over every layer of construction management. If your business focuses on residential work, client relationships, and fast project turnaround, Buildertrend is often the better fit because it is easier to adopt and manage daily. Now here's the biggest mistake contractors make. They pick based on popularity instead of workflow needs. That usually leads to wasted time, frustration, and unnecessary software costs. The real decision comes down to scale and complexity. Procore for enterprise-level operations. Buildertrend for streamlined residential contracting. If you understand that difference, choosing between them becomes much simpler. If this comparison helped you, like, comment, and subscribe for more construction software breakdowns like this.